The Art of Woodworking. Free download, link in description.
The BUCKTOOL BD4802 Professional Bench Belt Sander is a versatile and powerful machine designed for both metal and wood applications. With a combination of a 4x36-inch belt and an 8-inch disc, it offers a 2-in-1 sanding solution that caters to a variety of projects. One standout feature is its professional-grade sanding disc and belt paper, specifically designed for metal polishing. The hook and loop design of the sanding disc paper allows for easy replacement. The aluminum sanding belt dust outlet is a notable addition, effectively preventing melting during prolonged use. The machine also comes with knife grinding accessories that can be easily installed on the belt plate and removed when not in use, making it adaptable for different tasks. The 1 HP direct drive motor distinguishes this model, offering increased power and efficiency compared to other woodworking machines. The direct drive design is reported to be 25% more efficient than traditional designs, ensuring constant and powerful performance. The motor, fully enclosed and induction-based, contributes to the machine's reliability. Convenience is prioritized with a switch box placed on the top of the machine for easy operation. The adjustable belt tension, sturdy cast aluminum base with rubber foot to prevent vibrations, and a removable dust port that enlarges the work area add to the user-friendly design. The sanding belt work table can tilt from 0 to 90 degrees for horizontal and vertical sanding, while the driven drum allows for sanding curved workpieces. The spacious sanding disc work table is also adjustable from 0 to 45 degrees, catering to various angle needs. Despite being more expensive than some competing models, users appreciate the heavier-duty motor and platform. The larger disc and Velcro-backed sanding disc facilitate easy disc changes. The direct drive design eliminates the hassle of dealing with belts. However, some users reported issues with mounting bolts and cap screws, which required additional adjustments. Setup was manageable, though some users found the instructions confusing and suggested that clearer images would have been beneficial. One user mentioned the impressive performance in sanding wood evenly and the machine's squareness right out of the box. The machine's weight and the need for careful handling were noted, with specific concerns raised about the miter gauge and the disc sanding table. Despite minor assembly challenges, users expressed satisfaction with the BUCKTOOL BD4802 BD4802, highlighting its efficiency in sharpening drill bits and its ability to work on various materials. The robust motor is commended for its power, and users are optimistic about the machine's long-term performance.